The intro you're watching right now took me about 60 seconds to create. I didn't use After Effects. I didn't use Premiere Pro. I didn't write a single line of code. All I did was describe what I wanted to an AI, and it built the entire thing for me. Custom animations, glitch effects, glowing text, brand colors, everything you see here came from a simple text description. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set this up on your own computer, step by step, so you can create intros like this for your own YouTube channel. Before we start installing anything, let's talk about what's actually happening. We're connecting two tools. The first is Claude Code. This is an AI assistant that doesn't just explain what to do, it actually does the work. It can create files, write code, and build projects on your computer. Think of it like having a developer sitting next to you, except you just talk to it in plain English. The second is Remotion. Remotion is a framework that creates video animations using code. It's used by professional motion designers to build YouTube intros, product demos, and animated explainer videos. Here's the key idea. You don't need to know how to code. You describe your intro. Claude writes the Remotion code for you. Remotion turns that code into a video file. That's the entire workflow. Let's set it up. Step 1. Install Claude Code. The easiest way to use Claude Code, especially if you're a beginner, is through Visual Studio Code. If you don't already have it, download Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com, install it, and open it. You won't be writing code yourself. We're just using it as a workspace for Claude. Once VS Code is open, click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Claude Code and install the official extension from Anthropic. After installation, you'll see a Claude icon appear in the sidebar. Click it and sign in with your Anthropic account. You'll need a Claude Pro subscription for this. Once you're signed in, Claude Code is ready. If you're already comfortable with the command line, you can also install Claude Code through the terminal using npm. But the VS Code extension is much more beginner-friendly and works perfectly for this tutorial. Step 2. Install Node.js. Before Remotion can work, we need Node.js. Node.js is a runtime that allows this kind of code to run on your computer. Remotion is built on top of it, so this step is required. Go to nodejs.org and download the LTS version. That's the stable, recommended option. Run the installer and accept all the default settings. You don't need to change anything. Once it's installed, open a brand new terminal window and type node-version. If you see a version number, Node.js is installed correctly. Step 3. Install Git. Next, we need Git. Git is a version control system that Remotion uses during setup. Go to git-scm.com, download Git for your operating system, and run the installer. You can leave every option at its default setting. After installation, open a new terminal and type git-version. If you see a version number, Git is ready. After installing Node.js and Git, fully restart VS Code. Close it completely and open it again. This step is important. Skipping it causes most setup issues. Step 4. Install the Remotion skill. Now we connect Claude Code to Remotion. Open VS Code and create a new terminal from the menu. In that terminal, run npx skills add remotion-dev/skills. When prompted, confirm the installation. Choose Claude Code as the target and select Project Scope. After it finishes, open Claude Code and ask, what skills do you have access to? If Claude mentions Remotion, the setup is complete. Step 5. Test the setup. Before building a real intro, let's test everything. In Claude Code, type, create a simple animated text that says, Hello World. Claude will ask for permission to use Remotion. Allow it. Claude will create files, write code, and set up the project automatically. You don't need to understand what it's doing, just let it work. When it's done, Claude will tell you to run a command, usually npx remotion studio. Run that command, and your browser will open with the Remotion preview. If you see the animation playing, your setup works. If something breaks, copy the error and paste it back into Claude. It can fix its own mistakes. Step 6. Build your YouTube intro. Now let's create your actual intro. First, prepare your logo. A PNG with a transparent background works best. In the Remotion preview window, Open the Assets folder and drag your logo file into it. Next, go back to Claude Code and describe your intro clearly. For example, create a YouTube intro for my channel called AITLDR. Duration, 5 to 7 seconds. Resolution, 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Use my logo from the Assets folder. Background color, accent colors, text color, animation order, and overall style should all be described in plain language. For the AITLDR intro, I used a dark navy background, cyan glow effects, gold text, a glitchy logo entrance, and a typing animation for the tagline. Send your prompt and let Claude work. In about a minute, your intro will be ready to preview. Your first result probably won't be perfect, and that's normal. Tell Claude exactly what to change. Make the logo bigger. Slow down the text animation. Change the glow color. Add a pulse. Extend the fade out. Iterate until it looks exactly how you want. Step 7. Render and export. Once you're happy with the intro, click Render in the Remotion interface and export the video. In a few seconds, you'll have an MP4 file you can drop into any editor. Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, CapCut, anything. Pro tips. Be specific with timing. Say 2-second fade instead of slow fade. Always mention your assets so Claude knows what to use. Describe the vibe. Modern, playful, cinematic, minimal. Always specify resolution and frame rate. And most importantly, iterate. The best results come from refining, not from the first draft. You now have an AI assistant that doesn't just teach you how to make YouTube intros, it actually makes them. No templates, no tutorials to memorize, no After Effects timelines. 6 months ago, this required serious motion design skills or hiring a professional. Now you just describe what you want. This is how content creation works now. Subscribe for more AI tools that actually save you time. I'm out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.